Hello everyone and welcome back to part 2 from Symmetry presentation. In this part we will talk about examples of symmetry for you to identify and understand them from now on. So let's get right to it. Our first example shows a part where datum A is constructed first from the planes that represents the exterior contour of the part, just like we can see here. And by constructing a symmetry medium plane from them. Then we use the parallel planes from here, measure them, and from these two planes we construct a medium plane like we can see now. This will be our feature that we want to evaluate. We can interpret this symmetry evaluation by looking at our green plane from here to see if he is located at a maximum distance of 0.1 according to the total tolerance from datum A, or if he is 0.05 millimeters above or 0.05 millimeters below. This is why we have the total tolerance here, right here, and half of the total tolerance right here. For our second example, we have to measure two circles like we can see here. One is datum A and one is datum B. From these two circles we construct a line that will be our common datum A minus B. Then we have to measure the slot, and from the slot we will get a point. That point has to be within the total tolerance zone of 0.1 from datum A minus B, or it has to be 0.05 millimeters above or 0.05 millimeters below datum A. So we can see here in the right side that the point is going up and down, and sometimes it's above the total tolerance zone. That means that we can have a not okay part. Thank you for watching part 2 of the symmetry video. If you liked it, smash that like button. I will see you in a couple of days with the example on Com Inspect. Until then, have a nice one.